Shalina Kasam.
Imam as-Sadiq alayhi salam. Why was he named as-Sadiq? Written by KISAKIDS Publications. The sound of the flowing river and chirping birds echoed through the garden. Imam as-Sajjad alayhi salam sat by the river, smelling the beautiful flowers. It was a rare sight to see the Imam outside of his home, since the evil caliph and guards closely watching him at all times. On this particular day, however, the guards were busy elsewhere, so Imam as-Sajjad alayhi salam was able to spend some time outside and enjoy the cool breeze. Abu Khalid, a student of Imam Sajjad alayhi salam, knew this would be the best time to ask the Imam alayhi salam any questions he needed answered. Abu Khalid quickly walked up to Imam alayhi salam and kissed his hand out of love and respect. He then asked for permission to ask his first question. O son of Rasulullah, who is going to be the Imam after you? The Imam pointed to a younger boy playing nearby and said, My son, Muhammad al-Baqir alayhi salam will be the Imam after me. Abu Khalid looked at the beautiful boy playing nearby. He was very pleased to hear this news and had many more questions for the Imam. He asked, O my Imam, who will be the next Imam after Imam Muhammad al-Baqir alayhi salam? Imam as-Sajjad alayhi salam replied, the Imam after him will be named Ja'far alayhi salam. Still, Abu Khalid wanted to know more and more, and again he asked, I want to make sure that I will be able to recognize Imam Ja'far alayhi salam. Does he have any special titles? The Imam alayhi salam nodded his head and answered, his title is as-Sadiq, the truthful. Upon hearing the word as-Sadiq, Abu Khalid thought to himself, as-Sadiq means the truthful. All the Imams are truthful, so why will Ja'far alayhi salam be the only one to be called truthful? At first, Abu Khalid did not have the courage to ask such a question. But how could he not ask? You see, he wanted to know everything he could about Imam as-Sadiq alayhi salam. He shyly asked, O son of Rasulullah, all of the Imams are truthful, so how come only he will be called as-Sadiq? The Imam was actually very happy and pleased with Abu Khalid's curiosity. Imam as-Sajjad alayhi salam remembered Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam's answer to this very question. With a comforting smile, he said, O Abu Khalid, the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam himself has said that Ja'far alayhi salam should be given the title as-Sadiq. He once told us that there will be another man named Ja'far, who will be a liar and who will claim that he is the 12th Imam. This man will be called Ja'far al-Khadab, Ja'far the liar. By calling the 6th Imam Ja'far as-Sadiq alayhi salam, everyone will be able to tell the difference between the two Ja'fars, even though they shared the same first name. Things were beginning to make sense to Abu Khalid. Imam as-Sajjad alayhi salam continued, Let me explain a little more. You see, Ja'far al-Khadab will be friends with the evil king and will not accept the imamat of Imam al-Mahdi ajalallahu ta'ala farja. Imam as-Sajjad alayhi salam paused for a moment and put his head down. As tears streamed down his face, he shook his head and said, Ja'far al-Khadab will be related to Imam al-Mahdi ajalallahu ta'ala faraja, and know him very well, but he still will not accept him as the Imam. They both sighed sadly and stood in silence for a while. Abu Khalid thanked Allah for this rare opportunity to visit the Imam, and for having so many of his questions answered. It was as if a weight had been lifted off his shoulders. He asked the Imam for permission to leave and then respectfully bid him farewell. As Abu Khalid started walking home, the sun was shining brightly in the sky, and even the birds seemed to be chirping the praises of Allah. A little boy passing by couldn't stop staring at his face. The boy wondered, "Who is this man who seems to be glowing with peace?" May Allah send His peace and blessings upon Imam AS-SADIQ alayhi salam and help us to also be truthful like him.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
And don't forget to share.